Today we'll talk about how can you disable post your follow notifications on your Reddit app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list, and all you have to do now, just click here on account settings here. So then it's going to take us to this list, and you click here on manage notifications. Then it's going to take us to next step here. Then you go down. So you keep going down here, and you come here to uh, you come here to post your follow. Just clicking this sign or this color. The like you see color, it's gone. That's me post your follow notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.